What's up, people of YouTube? The captain is back. I'm here on the back patio with another bike check. This is my KINK Mudrunner 20-inch BMX. This is a trail riding BMX, aka dirt jumping BMX. Not a dirt jumper, don't get it confused, it's not a dirt jumper. This is a bike for BMXing and riding on dirt jumps, okay? Trail BMX, trail riding. Alright, sorry, I'm getting a little worked up here. See that thing right there? See that? That's called a brake cable. Can you believe that? Okay, let's talk about what we got on here. Okay, starting up here, KINK lightest bar ends, sandblasted to match my bike. Shadow Conspiracy 138 grips, highly worn out, very good grips. Eastern bar stop, KINK wolf bars, 8.5-inch rise, about 27 inches wide. I cut them a little bit. This is the oldest item on my bike right here. This is a MX99 brake lever from Diacomp before they became Cane Creek. This I've had on my bike since 1995. Also sandblasted to match my bike. Stem is a Sunday. Wow, I can't even remember the name of it. It's a Sunday stem. It's forged, but it's light. I put hollow bolts in it. Let's see if you can see through the bolts. Oh, sparkly. Sparkly. There, you can see through them. I see through the bolts. They're hollow. Okay, anyway. Sunday, I don't even remember the name of the stem. It's about 53 millimeters, I think. Let's see, it says underneath. 54? 52. Yes, 52. This also has been sandblasted to match my bike. It became white when I sandblasted it. Just a budget fiction Savage stem. My sweet head tube badge. KINK foundation forks. And my front wheel is a Alienation. This is a Mosh Justice Light wheel from, I've had this since 2006. And it's got a Sun, God, my rim's dirty. A Sun Rhinolite rim. And this wheel has lasted so long. I've trued it once or twice and actually changed out all the nipples with alloy nipples. So, still smooth. Look at that color. Still smooth. The hubs are still, the bearings are still really, really smooth. So let's see. This is a Primo Dirt Monster tire. Getting kind of worn out, but see, that's for dirt, not street. Dirt. Okay, anyway, moving on. Frame's about 4 pounds, 8 ounces. Head tube angle 74.5. Top tube 21 inches. Bottom bracket height 11.7 inches. Rear end length currently about 13.85. I do have a half link in there. That's pretty much it on that. Old KINK pivotal saddle. See, the stitching's even worn out. KINK pivotal post that I sandblasted. KINK seat clamp. The logo's on the other side. I'll show you that later. Fly Bike Company brakes, sandblasted. Okay, cranks, Primo hollow bites with hollow bolts and a Quaman 26 tooth sprocket, a Odyssey keychain. Oh yeah, my brakes I have Odyssey ghost pads. Don't buy those. They don't work. They're very loud when they dry out and they're annoying. So don't get Odyssey brake pads. Okay, pedals. Welgo MG 52 pedals. They came black, I painted them white, then I painted them silver to match all the parts I sandblasted. So you could kind of see all the colors coming through now because they're so worn out. Magnesium, super light, sealed. Let's see what else. What did I forget? Oh, we're on the back end. Back end we have a We the People Supreme hub with aluminum nuts, sun rhinolite rim, double butted spokes, alloy nipples, primo refuse resist tire, kind of a good mix between street and dirt. He's got some tread on the side, but a good smooth center line. All right. Why is he not focusing? Come on, focus, baby. And then, all right, so something's wrong with my focus. I'm gonna flip it over. I'm gonna get you a little bit of the hub sound. I forgot to talk about this. My spindle, it's a titanium spindle in here. So that makes my cranks pretty light. They're about as light as maybe the lightest profiles you can get. Maybe not if you have a profile with titanium spindle, but still right in that range. All right, now you guys want to hear the hub? Yeah, baby! Oh yeah, another thing I forgot is this bike is left-hand drive. When I do run pegs, I run them on the right side, but I was never really a fan of that. I'm not really keen on hucking my expensive bike at metal rails and cement ledges and stuff like that, so it's just me. But I tried it, you know, it wasn't for me. I still give it a go every now and then, but whatever. Alright, so that's pretty much it. The KINK Mudrunner. Hope you liked it. She is a beauty. If I forgot to mention anything, feel free to ask a question. Oh, this is a demolition brake hanger right here, just in case. Oh, that's what I was turning the bike around. There's the KINK logo. Oh, and you can see my spacers in the cranks. I sandblasted that too. So sandblasted, 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 sandblasted. And then the hubs kind of match, so I just went with that. Alright, hope you enjoyed it. Really hope you enjoyed that bike check. Now, I'm going to hit you with a few riding clips. Signing off.
When you open your eyes, but you still can't see. When your lips make words, but you still can't speak. And the sounds of hate, the only thing you hear, take away